Thank you, Senator. Senator, any day Donald Trump is going... Any day now, Donald Trump is going to appoint a Supreme Court justice.
Yes.
And I think understand the stakes associated.
Yes.
What's the strategy of Senate Democrats in committee and in general? Is there a strategy? And do you think we can count animus Democratic opposition to anybody that Donald Trump appoints?
At the moment, our line in the sand has been, you can't be out of the mainstream, which allows the Trump administration to appoint someone whom senators have voted for beforehand. And if you look at the names that are out there, there are three: Pryor, Gorsuch, and Hardiman. Pryor is probably an easy one. He was confirmed with huge controversy, very partisan vote, party line vote in committee, and I think no problem dealing with him. Gorsuch and Hardiman opposing. Gorsuch and Hardiman is a little bit difficult. Gorsuch was voice voted, which meant not one senator opposed his nomination enough to even force a vote on it. And Hardiman was 95-0. 95-0. And so, and nobody's quarreled with them since. We haven't made a thing about, this. So, what I have recommended to our caucus is that we have to change the debate a little bit. And what I think we should be saying is that for quite some period of time, the Republican majority of the Supreme Court, the five of them, have been over and over and over and over and over again making 5-4 decisions where they haven't tried to reach out to the Democrat appointees on the court, and where they have taken the areas that matter most to their base, which is electing more Republicans, Citizens United, Shelby County, Jubilee, and helping big corporations, all of the stuff that keeps them out of courtrooms and from not having to be responsible and from being able to force you into mandatory arbitration instead of being able to bring an action and getting rid of class actions and all of that. And then the ideological cases like Hobby Lobby and Keller, the gun case. So that's the problem. That if we are not talking about what I consider to be corporate control of the 5 members of the court, then we're not talking about the real problem. And that if we're doing that, then any judge that Trump appoints is entirely